Hey guys, welcome to Hacker Sport. Today we're going to talk about something really important, which is JWT really secure? Before understanding the security aspects of JWT, let's first understand what JWT is. So what is JWT? JWT stands for JSON Web Token, and it's a standard for securely transmitting information between two parties as a JSON object. A JWT consists of three parts separated by dot operator. So let's break them down. The header, which describes the token type and the signing algorithm which is being used, for example HS256. We have the payload. This contains the actual data or claims, the information that's being transferred between two parties. Finally, we have the signature, which ensures the integrity of the token. Don't worry, we'll discuss the signature part in more details later in the video. Now, here's something interesting. Do you know you can actually modify the data inside the JWT token? What? So, how is it still considered secure? So, when I first learned about JWT, I also wondered the same thing. If I can change my data in the JWT, for example, if my role is user, can I change it to admin and get the admin access? The answer is no, and here's why. When a JWT is created, it consists of a header and a payload. The header defines the algorithm and the token type, which is your JWT. The payload holds the data. For example, user ID 123, username John Doe, role admin. Both the header and the payload are base64 URL encoded. Now, when you combine the header and payload and send them to server, the server takes these values and use a secret key to create a signature. The process of creating the signature depends on the algorithm used. In simple terms, the server combines the header, payload, and signature key to generate a hash. That's your signature. Finally, all three parts, header, payload, and signature, are joined together to form a complete JWT token. Now that we know about JWT token, how is it formed? Let's talk about its security. So we have our data where we have your header, payload, and we have the signature and the full JWT token, which consists of your header, original payload, and original signature. Now suppose an attacker comes into the play, modifies the payload, and changes the role of user to admin. The header remains the same, but since the payload has changed, the signature will also change. Now, when this modified token is sent to the server will verify the signature using its secret key. Because the payload was altered, the new secret key won't match the original one that was stored into the server. This is how JWT signing ensures both integrity and authenticity. It guarantees that the data hasn't been modified and that the token truly comes from a trusted source. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more security related content.